Hello, I'm just going to show you around a very nice 6 furrow LO, so that's an on-land in-furrow and hydraulic vari-width plough. So it's got the holes at the back to take a 7th furrow, it's got the double depth wheel, got rear discs and skims. You can see it's a very clean example. We'll just go and have a look round. It looks like the mouldboards have been recently replaced. So just going around the other side now, yeah, you can see there we've got mouldboards that are still 90% good. Hardly look like they've had the paint off them really. So come in back up to the front. You can see it's on number 28 bodies and it's 6 furrow format at the moment, so it could be a +1 to a 7 if you want. All looking very straight down the points, very clean and original around the headstock. And then we'll just have a look at the serial plate. So serial number 240, weight 2,420 kilos. So there we are, a very good example of this popular on-land in-furrow KVERNELAND vari-width plough. Thank you for watching.